Alright, we're going to put this top in together, and we run across a problem as usual. It's nice and late, 2:30 in the morning. Trying to get this motor done so I can get out of here. And I come across some dumbass didn't cut the cylinders like they should have. So they went all the trouble to fix the head gasket surface, and then they left this screwed up base gasket surface. Some dumbass went and took a buffing pad to clean the gasket surface off and screwed it all up. So it's really uneven. You can see how it's all been buffed, and it's just crap. This one here is kind of rusty, shitty looking, and got crap all over it. You can feel the unevenness in it, and somehow that's supposed to seal. You know, this is all radiused over. Stupid buffing pads just killed the gasket surfaces. So now, me being a dumbass and machine the other side, I got to go remachine it now. Actually, you never have time to do it right the first time, but you have plenty of time to redo it the second, third, and fifth time, right? So now I got to go cut these damn things. Just what I need to get done. So these things need to be completely recut. I just got done cleaning the cylinder boards out, so everything's nice and done. So now I got to redo it all. Alright, that's obviously not cut for this diameter yet. If I don't do it, the damn thing will leak, and I'll have to redo it again. So, or at least I won't have to redo it. It'll be in Texas. But I'll hear about it. It'll be all my fault. You just watch. Alright, so that's why I don't like them stupid ass buffing pads. They destroy more stuff that I have to remachine. It's ridiculous. Sure make it nice and quick to kick gaskets off. Like most things, when it happens really quick, it destroys stuff. Quick is not always the best. Alright, well I already got my chuck jaw swapped over and put a new bit in there, so I have to waste time. I'm getting tired. Second day in a row, I'm here at 4 a.m. so and 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 3 a.m. All last week was all race bikes, so more a.m.s. Oh well. Alright, so now I'm going to cut this thing, see what we gotta do to make it flat. Hate having to redo crap. It's my own damn fault for not doing it. Customer probably said leave it. Well, he ain't here now, so I'm going to fix it. If he didn't want it done right, he shouldn't have come here. He knows how I am. If I look tired, there's a reason for it. Of course, you can't see that, so oh well. Alright, let's get the camera down. We can kind of see a little bit what's happening here. So I guarantee this thing's a piece of crap. Okay, so camera stands in the way. Okay, so I got my dial indicator over here. I just built up against the side of this. So I got to back up a little bit. Probably should turn the speed down just a little bit to save the cutter. I hate doing that. Alright, gear change. How slow that is. Jeez. I'm used to cutting this slow. First thing I do is touch off on the center. We're already cutting. Looks like we're that's set. Set my dial over there at 0. Damn it. I didn't readjust readjust everything. Ran out of travel here. Okay, well you can see how uneven the surface is. Cutting like hell on the inside, not cutting hardly anything in the middle where they're buffing the piss out of it over here. And then on the outside catches, we're catching some of the outside surfaces here. And this one I can't cut because I'm too far in. Alright, so now I got to readjust the cutter here. So, time for a quick adjustment. Slide everything way the hell out. Okay, now I'll do the trick. Let's check my height over here. Let's see, I just need something for a tangent. That'll work just fine. Tangent line looks square, straight up and down, I imagine. Looks like we're maybe a little low, but good. It's cast on, will be fine. I get to reset everything. Zero. Oh, too far in. Oh no, that's the high spot. Back it off a little bit. Yeah, we cleared that time. Oh, what you been filming? Yeah, you actually got a good view. Good shot. Look at that. I don't think that'd be a good angle there. I think you'd be looking at my chest. You can see everything almost. Alright, well, that surface is very uneven. That's why we have to cut it. Not flat at all. See what they did on the buffing. Okay, so we're going to cut it a little bit now. That's a good camera angle, I guess, way over there. I should think that'd be a very good angle, but okay. Alright, so now we're going to go 2 thou in. That was like 1 thou, kind of. It's 2. See how. Take any more than we have to here. Not very flat. Better than I thought it would be. Clean up a lot of it. So you can see the low spots throughout through here, right where it would leak. Thinnest point of the gasket is where it's going to leak, obviously. Starting to clean around that hole there a little bit, finally. The drain hole looks pretty good. There's a big low spot all through here, but we got all this other area that would clean, that would seal it. Alright, so it looks like this the battery is right here. Okay, so that was 2 thou, which maybe 3 thou taken, but not from all the surfaces though. So now go ahead and cut it some more. I'm going to give it 1 or 2. I'm going to just give it 1. I don't want to cut any more than I have to. One more. every 5 thou works out about a tenth of a point of compression, roughly. Nope. Same little spot right there. Didn't change it. Damn. That was going to leak, so I have to do something about it. Okay, we'll do it again. This will be 5 thou now. All of a sudden it'll probably come in, but we don't know when that's going to happen. Better a little bit. I just got a flat spot on that finally. And take about half of it out. Right there, you can see it. Everything else is cleaned up. Right there, the thinnest point is where it's going to leak. So, the one you can do is take some more off. You don't want the leak, right? It'd be a bad thing. Yeah, where you want that. Another thou. We don't know if this is a good one or a bad one. You want to cut them both the same to be equal. Be close to it. We are at 6 right now. Come on, Scooty. Man, still in there. One more and call it a quit. Seven. almost cleaned it. That's enough. I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to cut another thou out of it. So it's right there. It's almost cleaned. You don't know how much that's going down right there. Whoop, down closer. You can see why is it blowing up so much. See, that's our low spot. Everything else is obviously cleaned. Good. Okay, so we cut 7. Actually about 6.5 at the very end. It moved in slightly at the end, which is okay. It makes it tighter on the inside of the gasket. Okay, now I'm going to pull this one off and flop it around for the other one. Okay. This one looks more crappy looking. Okay, I didn't move the indicator at all. This one's taller by 5 thou to begin with anyway. Ew, that is horrible looking. Look at that thing. Lots of low spots on that one, huh? There's our low spot through there on this one. It's always the worst at the lowest part, notice that? Okay, this time we're way over at 5. And I cut a good thou and a half, 2 thou already to probably just roughen it in. Alright, so they're totally different between the two sides. But I'm not sure how high the spigot is on this one. I'm trying to measure the cylinder overall height here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just take 3 thou, 4 thou, 5 thou. What do you want to do first shot? Take 5 first shot. Cut 7 on the other one. Come low like that. Oh yeah, there's a big low spot in there. There's a 5 thou pass. Look at that low spot through there. That looks good through there. Just barely cleaning right there. That's about where we left off on the other one. Starts being low right here and continues on through. Big gouge mark in there. Alright, so that's at 5 right now. I'm going to cut 2 more. See if it cleans. We'll measure the overall cylinder. Theoretically it's a 7 thou already on this cylinder. Alright, looks like it cleaned. Alright, that looks good. Okay, now we gotta figure out what the hell we're at on overall height. So I'm gonna try to measure it with the caliper here. See what we got on this one, and we'll measure the other one. And we'll see what we got. Three, 2, 3, 2, 4. We're on the other side and measure this one. 3, 2, 3.5. So that's 5.325. 330 is stock, so that's 6 thou, 5 thou, 6 thou under, 6 thousandths undersized. Okay, this one here. Yeah. What I can measure would be nice. Be like 322, flashing 321.5. This one was a 323. Oh. 324. 323 right there at that angle. 324, 323. It's about 1.5 thou longer. I think that's close enough for a Harley. I don't think a Harley's going to notice 1.5 thou on anything different. We might be as much as 2 different, but that's pushing it. I think we're plenty adequate for that. Okay. So there is another wonderful project we had immediately. Fun, fun, fun. Guess what? I get to go clean them again. Alright, so now we got everything cut, measured, looking like new again. So there you go. This one should be cut another thou at least to clean it, but it's already shorter, so we're not going to cut any more. So this looked like the worst one, but it wasn't. This one was a little bit worse. Alright, so we're good to go. And we'll get these cleaned up and try to put together again.